Aplos AI, built to automate the work that slows you down. Nobody gets into real estate to send follow-up texts at midnight, but that's the job now. Zillow leads at 11 p.m., open house sign-ins that never go anywhere, buyers who went cold because someone else called first, past clients who listed with a different agent because you hadn't spoken in a year. The problem isn't your hustle, it's that the follow-up never stops, and you can only be one place at a time. Studies show leads who don't hear back within 5 minutes are 78% less likely to close. The average agent responds in over 40 hours. That gap is where deals go to die. This is for independent agents and small teams who are already busy, already closing deals, and losing more than they realize to slow follow-up and inconsistent communication. Here's what we build. The moment a lead comes in, whether it's from Zillow, your website, or an open house sign-in sheet, they get a personalized response in under 60 seconds, not a chatbot. A custom AI agent that knows what they were looking at, where they're searching, and what to say next. From there, a follow-up sequence runs automatically. 3 days, 7 days, 30 days. Each touch point tailored to where they are in the process. Buyers who aren't ready yet stay warm until they are. For your past clients, we build a nurture system that sends market updates, home anniversary messages, and check-ins on your behalf. So when they're ready to sell, or when their friend asks for an agent referral, your name is the one they remember. And during transactions, we handle the milestone updates, inspection scheduled, appraisal complete, clear to close. Every party gets the right message at the right time without you drafting it. Our clients don't just save time. They stop losing deals they didn't even know they were losing. More showings booked from the same lead volume, more referrals from past clients who actually hear from you, more closings because the follow-up never drops. If you want to see exactly what this looks like for your business, book a free AI audit. We will map out your entire lead and client flow and show you where the gaps are. Go to aplosai.com/audit.